we want to review the gutters that perform, the gutter system that perform properly and the one that not. One thing I want to start with is this leaf relief. That's what they call it. The gutter protector, the gutter helmet. Very expensive one, complicated system to install, and the problem is that the debris still washing out inside the gutter. The gutter is right here, and it's designed to just for water run down here, not allow any debris. The idea is great. You can visualize it this way, like no leaves going inside, but the reality is that leaves are still going in, and as soon as that gutter clogged with the leaves, you have to disassemble, you have to detach and reset this helmet in order to clean the gutters, and the labor to do it is very expensive. So we don't recommend this type of gutter. We can charge a lot of money to install it, but it won't be fair for our customers. They're not going to be happy with us. We don't do it. The other one is what known as a SureFlow. It covers completely the gutters, so it doesn't really allow debris to get in. The holes that it's here, they're not that much. They not really allow the debris to get inside, though some needles stick here in the holes. Some other leaves can stick here and stay there for a while, but the main problem is water flow. This helmet, this screen, doesn't really allow all the water to go through, and as a result we see the water overflow through the edge of the gutter and running on a fascia, ruin wood fascia if it is there, or something else like a window trim under the gutters. So not really performing properly. The other one got good openings. They call it Leaf Smart, but I don't know why they call it Smart, because the debris still sticking up over here, and it's perfect for water flow. Definitely all water going through this system, this gutter screen, but it does accumulate the debris on top of it and inside the gutter, so not recommending either. And what we do recommend is this one. It's just actually, you know, this part is aluminum, but this one is stainless steel Micromesh, and that's the one that allow almost 100% water going through this Micromesh. It doesn't prevent water to fall into the gutters. See this lip, very small, doesn't catch any debris. The needles doesn't stick over here. This is the product that we use probably good 7 years, and that's the only product we're buying, and it's affordable. It's a very affordable product. It's not very expensive. We need to mention that there's no 100% solution for any gutters to keep them clean, but if it's nothing really 100%, why to go with the expensive things? You can be very pleased with the way how these gutter screens perform, and also you don't really need to detach it in order to clean, because no debris, zero debris going inside the gutters. So that type of system, that's how it looks. We recommend. And if some leaves builds up over here and water and wind not blowing it out of here, you still can be able to clean it yourself without paying $100-200 for gutter cleans yourself, if you get such broom like we got over here, and you just take out the broom, the brush itself, and insert it opposite way. Now you're ready to go. And, especially if this one got extension, you can go pretty high, and you're probably not gonna go two-story with this stick, but you can swipe the debris with easy solution. You won't need to hire anybody.